Alright, how's it going, guys? Today we are going to be trying some salt drop, and I am slightly nervous about this because when I decided to do this video, I thought I was only going to be trying a couple, and come to find out, it's a lot more than a couple. Um, Charlie brought his whole bag out, and there is now 8 different kinds of salt drop. So, and he put them in order from the first one he wants me to try all the way down. So we are going to see how it goes, I guess. Um so the first one is this. Um I know that Zweet stands for sweet, so it's a sweet licorice. Wow, this is really, really dark. Kind of looks like a cough drop a little bit. That's pretty good. So, yeah, it's actually really good. They kind of taste like Good and Plenty's if you ever had them. It's American candy, and it's actually one of my favorites. It's like has this in the middle, and then on the outside it has this like crunchy, but like the crunchiness of an M&M. Um, and they're super good. But yeah, that's pretty good. This one is I forget what it's called. La 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 la. Bay leaf. And apparently they're really good for like sore throats and stuff too. So win-win. These look quite similar to the first one. Oh, man. Somebody that has dentures could not eat these. They are. These are hard, for sure. But really good. I would definitely take these over cough drops any day. There's this one, and I know that means salty. Actually, I have always been a big salt fan. Even my grandma was like, no, it's bad for you, blah, blah, blah. Always liked it. I actually tried one of these. This is why I'm scared to try a couple of them. Because I remember it being really, really, really salty. In fact, kind of ruined salt for me. Like, I don't use as much salt as I did since that day, for sure. It's like stuck in my teeth. Yeah, this one I may spit out. Mm. There's actually two different kinds. They all look pretty similar. Wonder what the difference is. Hmm. A firm bite. Yes. Hmm. Yeah. Uh-uh. Sorry about that. Yeah. Man, this must have ruined my taste buds. I don't know. I'm already regretting this. Are uh Boulez Solis. Alice. Salty licorice drops. I don't know about this. I think I got suckered into doing this and uh mm-mm. No. Nope. I don't that's not good. You really tricked me. This is kitty licorice. And they're in shapes of cats. That's really cool. Oh. No. I don't know about this. I already have that bad taste in my mouth from those three that oh, is salmiak. You can see it. Kind of rubbery. A little bit. I could already tell by the just putting it on the tip of my tongue. I'm gonna have high blood pressure. Pretty sure. I feel bad that I really do not want to eat this at all. This is chocolate drop. Ooh, I kind of forgot I was putting those in order. equally not really that good. Yeah, that's the order so far. I'll show you at the very. These kind of look like Whoppers. If you guys have ever had that, those they're really good. That's a licorice. Yeah, man, that salt's really getting to me. Um, that was actually really good. That may be the number one so far. Too. Just looking at these, really little balls. They look like these, and these are not good either. Like, I am indeed regretting this. Actually, smells really, really, really good. Well, that's really good. Yeah, the licorice in the middle doesn't seem like it's like overwhelmingly salty. Um, I like that. Yeah, that's really, really good. You guys have not tried that, you are missing out for sure. All right, so for I would say that's number one. It's number two. Can you tell I like chocolate? I I love sweets. Number three, the sweet one. Number four. These all tied for last place because I did not enjoy them hardly at all. But I do love these, and I'm really surprised about the chocolate because I really like chocolate covered raisins, but I never really thought to put chocolate around licorice, and it really, the sweet and the salty of it, it really it blends in well. Very, very well. Um yeah. So there you have it. Wasn't as bad as I thought. I figured I would have not liked any of them, to be honest with you, but I tried them. And if you guys have any other reactions that you would like me to do, um, you could email me or comment down below on this one or any other one and let me know what you guys want to watch. Thank you so much for um being here. I really appreciate it. And you guys are awesome. So guess I will check you in the next video. Bye.